Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. KG class. Today we have work on page number 4 from your book Al-Hira Vocabulary Workbook, and the work is vocabulary with A and B. Al-Hira Vocabulary Workbook. Vocabulary with A ant, A apple, A ant, A apple, A N T ant, A double P L E apple, ant, apple, A N T ant, A double P L E apple, A ant, A apple. Now we have to make simple sentences. Use of this in sentences and use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence, and use and with words starting with vowel. And what is the meaning of this line? The meaning is of this line is that the words which are starting with vowels like A, E, I, O, U, so we have to use and with those words. This is an and. Why we use and here? Why don't we use a? We use and because and is starting with vowel. So this is an and. This is an and. The first letter should be capital and the full stop put full stop at the end of the sentence. So this is an and. This is an ant. THIS this. IS is ANT ant. This is an ant. Now we have to make a sentence of apple. So same we have to do that. This use of this in sentences and use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence, and use and with words starting with vowels. So now we have to make the sentence of apple. So this is an apple. We have to use this in the sentence. So this is an apple. Again we will use here an because apple is starting with vowel. This is an apple. Don't forget to write first letter in capital letter, and don't forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. This is an apple. THIS this. IS is ANNAPPLE apple. This is an apple. Now we have vocabulary with B. Biba book. Bibo banana. Biba book. Biba banana. BOOK book. BANANA banana. Now we have to make sentence with these words. So use of this in sentences and use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence. Use A with words starting with consonant. So we have to use A with those words which are starting with consonants. And what are the consonants? Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, T, T, V, W, X and Y, Z. So these are the consonants and we use A with words starting with consonants. So this is our book. This is our book. You can see that the first letter is capital and the full stop at the end of the sentence. So this is our book. Now we have to make sentence of banana, and don't forget the rules to make the banana. Simple sentences, use of this in sentences. Now we have to make sentence of banana. So this is a banana. This is a banana. You can see here the first letter is capital in the beginning of the sentence, and we write A with the consonant words and put a full stop at the end of the sentence. As you can read in these lines, use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence as the capital letter is written here, and put full stop at the end of the sentence. You can see here a full stop at the end of the sentence, and use a with words starting with consonants. Banana is starting with consonants, so we write a here to make the sentence. This is a banana. This is a banana. This is an ant. This is an ant. This is an ant. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is, A-N-T, ant. This is an ant. This is an apple. This is a book. This is a banana. This is an ant. This is an apple. This is a book. This is a banana. So KG class, that was your today's work, which was vocabulary of A and B. So you have to do this work on your workbook and complete the work on your workbook and learn all the spellings of these words and make the sentence and learn the sentence of the given words. And take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.